Yeah, I look really crazy. So it's like, what time is it? So it's 1:30 right now. Josh gets out at 3 from work, and then we have movie tickets for 7:40. So today I'll be filming a day in a life / cleaning montage video because we did laundry yesterday, and you know, in New York we don't have our own laundry machines. We don't have our own laundry machine, so we have to go outside, and usually we postpone it a lot, so we had a lot of laundry to do. So there's gonna be a huge mess, and you're gonna watch me clean them. Don't judge me, because usually I'm the clean one in the family, but not today. Not today. So yeah, let's get the video started. By the way, we are still in pajamas, and I look crazy. I haven't showered. So, hi! You wanna say hi to the camera? Can you say hi? Like this? Say hi. Good job. You want up? Say up. Say up. Good job. Up, up. Okay. Oh, you want to vlog? Here. You hold it like this, okay? Hold it. Wow, you see yourself? Who's that? Say me. So this is the situation, guys. Which room should I start with first? I guess I'll start with the kitchen. But let me just put something on Netflix for Olivia. Olivia, you want to see Spirit? Come. Hello? Hello? Spirit! Yay! You love the horses? Snap your fingers. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Did your hands? You're so cute. Okay, so you watch that. And I'll go to the kitchen. Look at my mug, guys. Never forget. I love Stranger Things. Stay over there, Mama. This is the overview of the kitchen. Gotta clean that. That's going to storage. Josh has to clean the turtle. And I gotta put these shoes away and throw out all the garbage. But that's pretty much it for the kitchen. So I'll show you the after. Well, I'll show you the process and then the after. Okay, so I finished the dishes. Hi, you're dancing? Whoa! Let me see. Dance. Go, go. Baila, baila, baila. Woohoo! Okay, so I finished the dishes and now I'm going to wipe down the counters. And I recently purchased this Myers cleaning spray. It's like a multi-surface cleaner, and it's in the scent honeysuckle, and I don't recommend this if you don't like flowery scents because it's very overpowering. But I already used it, so I can't return it. I'm gonna wipe down the counters. And I have to get a new rag, but it's somewhere in the laundry, so I'm just gonna use paper towels for now.
Je m'ennuie. à présent. Car sans toi, car sans toi, je m'ennuie.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Olivia, if you're not gonna nap, can I have your bobo? Oh, you want me to read the book? Okay. Let's read the book. It's called Pets. Can you turn the page for Mama? Turn the page for Mama. Chameleon. Mouse. Rabbit. Good job.
Wow.
Yeah, wow. You love this book? Let me see. Hamster. Wow. Goldfish. Bird. Pew, pew. Mouse. Okay, thank you. All done. We can read another one later? Can we read another one later? Help me. You're in jail? Okay, we're gonna play. We're gonna play in a little. Let Mama finish. We're gonna play in a little bit, okay? So many shoes. Why? And another one. So for this section with Olivia's stuff, I'm going to use Method. We love this one. It's that honey crisp apple scent. And this one is also all-purpose cleaner. So I'm just gonna quickly dust.
Je m'ennuie.
Clean up, clean up. Good job. Thank you. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Can I see? Clean up, clean up. I got it, I got it. Thank you. Okay, here you go. Can we stand up? Stand up. Thank you for your help. Dame un besito. Un besito. I love you. Okay, go play over there, okay? Wow, the ball. Ball, good job. Ball. Ball goes. Whoa! Don't run everywhere. Go get the ball. Go. Hurry. Go get the ball. Where's the ball? everything's clean over here. Everything is clean. Now we have to work on this and these clothes. Then we'll move into the room. Some green beans, some Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and quinoa that I have left over from yesterday. I'm gonna eat this snack, and then I'm gonna start cooking. And then just realized you can't even see me. And then I'm gonna clean the bathroom, and then I'm gonna wash my hair and get ready. So I'll see you in a bit.
Hey, it's me. It's me. Hi. What's up? Hi, mommy. Hey. Don't miss you.